Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for August 18th, 2013. It's currently 7:53 a.m. and we have some increasing clouds and overcast conditions throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, with a few scattered showers starting to move into central and southeastern Pennsylvania, and these showers will expand throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area today. Temperatures this morning range from the lower to mid 60s along the coast and upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior. Today we're not really going to warm up all that much with an easterly wind veering to the southeast, showers and of course overcast conditions, leading to high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s. Taking a look at the surface map, high pressure is to our north and east and starting to shift off the coast. We have a stationary boundary to our south with a wave of low pressure. This low pressure system is rather weak. The key here is the fact that tropical moisture is being lifted, not so much that there is an area of low pressure. It's just a stationary boundary with a wave, and we're going to be dealing with scattered showers on and off throughout the day as a result. So here's the batch of showers here moving through portions of the southern mid-Atlantic, the southern Pennsylvania, and moving into the Philadelphia metropolitan area, and these showers will push into the New York City metropolitan area as well. Again, not a washout, just more of a nuisance here as scattered showers move in and out throughout the day. A lot of this is not reaching the ground, more of a bark than its bite here, but still, yesterday was clearly the best day of this weekend because today is just going to be overcast, got showers, cool, not exactly the best day to go to the beach. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see our stationary boundary with a wave of low pressure along the coast. You can see a large area of moisture lifting north and east from the Gulf of Mexico right up into the northern mid-Atlantic. Again, pretty much today we're going to see overcast skies and scattered showers. Temperatures are going to be coolest of the entire 7-day period, with highs in the lower to mid 70s. Thereafter, we're talking about mid to upper 80s for many locations, especially starting on Tuesday. On the water vapor satellite picture, you can see what's happening here. We have our trough back here in the Mississippi River Valley, and we have a ridge starting to build over the western Atlantic and along the east coast. You can literally see the ridge here with winds rotating around this upper level ridge. And we're right now kind of caught in between this upper level low and this upper level ridge. So we have all this moisture streaming up from the Gulf of Mexico right up into the northern mid-Atlantic. We have a few disturbances here lifting that moisture and thus the potential for scattered showers today. Again, not a washout, but just kind of a nuisance here. Now, one minor threat here is that if a thunderstorm catches on to some of these winds here, it could produce a strong wind gust, anywhere from 35 to 50 miles per hour. It's going to be extremely isolated, but I want to throw it out there as a potential threat. Otherwise, we're looking at pretty much scattered showers, and that's about it. As this boundary lifts to the north and west, we'll see less and less showers throughout the week, and they'll become more isolated in nature, but the atmosphere will become more tropical, more humid, and of course hotter, with temperatures rebounding nicely into the mid to upper 80s in the New York City metropolitan area and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. And of course, with that type of humidity, although the thunderstorms will be isolated, they will have the potential of becoming rather strong. Talking about the tropics, we have what's left of tropical storm, or should I say at this point, tropical depression Aaron. Tropical depression Aaron has winds of 35 miles per hour. It's moving to the west at 9 miles per hour and has 1,008 millibars. To be frank, we don't really have much to worry about with Aaron. It's pretty much being torn apart here. Here's what's left of it. It will become a remnant low probably in the next 12 hours and will no longer be a threat. Meanwhile, we do have a disturbance moving off of the African coast that we may have to keep an eye on, but I wouldn't worry about it just yet. In the meantime, the rest of the tropical Atlantic is rather quiet. So let's dive right into the forecast here from the Penn State EWOL website using the European model guidance. Again, here's our ridge, here's our trough for this evening. The battle ensues, and we're going to deal with a few scattered showers here and there with very cool temperatures today in the lower to mid 70s. Tomorrow, that ridge starts to really take hold over the eastern United States. The trough pretty much minors out, and so as a result, still going to be a threat for a few scattered showers, but temperatures will be much warmer in the lower to mid 80s over much of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Then we start getting really humid as high pressure really takes hold. Again, isolated shower thunderstorms possible in the afternoon, otherwise scattered cloud cover. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s in the New York City metropolitan area, upper 80s to lower 90s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area, lower to mid 80s over Long Island and the immediate New Jersey coast. That pattern continues on for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now, by Friday night into Saturday, a cold front moves through with a few scattered showers and thunderstorms, so thunderstorms could be severe. And then Saturday, we're in the northwesterly flow, high pressure in control. And of course, that means temperatures in the lower to mid 80s. So we have a few days of above normal temperatures and higher humidity. And then we go back down towards a little bit less humidity, but temperatures averaging near normal by the time we get to next weekend. That's your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen D. Martino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a great day. Stay safe out there.